welcome to 1795 4 Mile Cove, Unit 834. We're up on the third floor right now, getting ready to head into the unit. There is someone vacuuming in front of in the hallway, so I'm gonna go in and shut the door. This unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. You can see the beautiful hallway and several tray ceilings, crown molding. You can see here to the right is a dining area, again with a tray ceiling and crown molding. This home comes fully furnished, turnkey. So pots, pans, decor. We have a pantry in the kitchen. A very long seating area. So you have pots, pans, another tray ceiling here in the kitchen. You have a beautiful view out the screened lanai. So you have a great room style property. This home is a split bedroom floor plan. Right ahead of you there is the master. And as we turn the corner here, you'll see there's a guest room wing also. As we head around to the front door again, in this guest room wing, this is your main bath and your guest room. Right there is your laundry, have a stackable washer and dryer. This home is nicely decorated with island decor furniture. This main bath has a combo washer dryer. You have carpeting in the main areas. Kitchen does have tile. Big living room area. And again, there is your bar seating. Area for several different bars, stools. Let's go take a peek at the screen lanai in the master bedroom. This home is located on a Gulf access canal. You can see down below you have boat lifts and the water. We're looking through a screen right now, so it might not be as clear, perfectly clear as we'd like it. Across the canal right now is a wooded area. There's a separate doorway going into the master bedroom. And into the master we go. Again, beautiful large tray ceiling with crown molding. Light, bright island decor. And again, there's that doorway out to the lanai area. This master bedroom also has an ensuite bath, which we're going to be heading to. Has 2 master closets here, one on the left, one on the right. Has an extremely large shower. And your commode. And your sink area. Again, this home comes fully furnished, turnkey. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any other questions, please contact myself or your realtor.